What is a bear or bull market? What is it like in the cryptocurrency market? What should you expect and how to act? All you need to know about bear and bull markets as a beginner in one video. Hi. Welcome to Money Generator. Join our community for value-packed free content to enhance your journey to financial freedom. Check the timestamps in the video description to navigate yourself through the content. Let's get into it. What is a bear or bull market? Simply put, a bull market is one that is increasing in value, whereas a bear market is one that is decreasing. These terms are common not just in the crypto industry, but also in traditional markets like stocks, bonds, property investment, and commodities. The origins of this term, like many others in finance, are obscure. The majority of people believe they come from the manner of each beast's attacks. Bulls thrust their horns up, while bears swipe their claws down. Of course, there are many hypotheses and data about the origins of the phrases. A bull market, also known as a bull run, is a time period in which the majority of investors are purchasing, demand exceeds the supply, market confidence is high, and prices are going up. If you find prices rapidly heading upwards in a specific market, it could indicate that the majority of investors are feeling optimistic or bullish about the value increasing further, and that you're about to enter a bull market. Even during a bullish trend, there will be dips, corrections, and volatility. Short-term negative moves could be easily misunderstood as the end of a bull market. This is why it's critical to look at any potential signals of a trend reversal in a wider context, using longer time frames to analyze price changes. Investors with a shorter time period frequently refer to this as buying the dip. Bull markets don't last forever, and investor confidence will eventually drop. This might be sparked by anything from bad news, such as unfavorable regulations, to unexpected occurrences, such as the COVID-19 outbreak. A significant decreasing price movement might indicate the start of a bear market, in which the majority of investors assume prices will continue to decline, leading to a downward spiral as they sell to avoid further losses. Similarly, a bear market is a period of time when supply exceeds demand, confidence is low, and prices are decreasing. As a result, pessimistic investors who expect prices will continue to fall are known as bears. Trading in bear markets can be tough, especially for beginner traders. It's extremely hard to foresee when a bear market will finish and when the lowest price will be reached, because recovering is typically a gradual and unpredictable process driven by a variety of external factors like economic development, investor psychology, and world news, or even a few posts by influencer celebrities. Bear markets can, however, bring huge opportunities. After all, if you have a longer-term investment strategy, buying during a bear market can pay off when the cycle turns around. Investors who follow shorter-term strategies should keep an eye out for price surges or corrections. There are further tactics for more skilled investors, such as short selling, which is a way of betting on an asset's price falling. Many crypto investors also use dollar-cost averaging, which is investing a fixed amount of money, for example $50, regularly, every week or month, regardless of whether the asset is increasing or dropping in value. This spreads your risk and allows you to invest in both markets. Stocks versus crypto bear markets. Crypto market is associated with a greater market slump when the price falls over a short time frame. Cryptocurrency markets are smaller and therefore more unstable than traditional ones. As a result, crypto bear markets are expected to be stronger and longer, when price drops down by 85% while stock market crash implies decreasing by 20% of the price's recent peak. Investors are unfamiliar with the performance of Bitcoin during a stock price crash. The last serious, long-term stock market collapse happened in 2007 to 2009. So, when Bitcoin had only recently launched and was gathering the first interest if not yet acceptance. There are several other characteristics that both markets share. Stocks and crypto both fluctuate in value over time, however, cryptocurrencies are more unpredictable due to price liquidity limits and a less developed financial industry. Negative trader emotion might result in a bear market in both the stock market and cryptocurrency. Long-term oriented traders, on the other hand, may view market falls as a possibility to purchase crypto at a discount. buy low, sell high are among the most well-known investment sayings. In 4 words, it's how money is made. External events influence how investors value a particular asset in stocks and cryptocurrency. Such factors can be the overall health of the economy, interest rates, geopolitical issues. We hoped you enjoyed this video and got some fresh ideas on how to create additional passive income streams this year. We have one more option for you. If you're willing to learn, earning $5,203 per day online just asking people simple yes and no questions. Check the link in the description for a free online course. Dive deeper into the topic of fully passive incomes from investments in our previous videos and YouTube short summaries for a quick recap. See you in the next video.